I look and stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you.
How to assemble a tattoo machine. So first you'll be need this coil machine and then grip, the tip, and the tail shoe. Also the needle and a rubber to hold the needle close to the machine. So what you have to do first is connect the tube to the machine. Once it is connected, you have to connect the grip to it like this. We'll be needing a wrench to tighten up the screws. And once you're done, all you have to do is grab your tip and then put it at the end of the grip, as you can see here. Once you're done, get your needle and put it inside the tube, grip, and the tip of the machine.
When I talk to my friends so quietly, who would think he's, look what you've done to me. Tennis shoes don't even need to buy a new dress.
And you have to make sure that the needle will come up to the tip, so you can loosen up the screw and then push the tip so that you can see the needle out.
But I still don't understand just how your love can do.
Once you're done, get your rubber, put it around the needle to the machine, and then there it's done. So just to make this work, all you have to do is power supply, the two cords that will connect to the machine, which is going to be connected here, and then the ones the bottom of it.
I'm not gonna tell you twice, so listen. Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I am not myself lately. I am foolish and I don't do this. I've been playing myself, baby. I don't care, cause your love got the best of me. And baby, you making a fool of me.
To make it work, just